mai koutou, ko Lucy here. She is Lucy.
In Moatara Windsor School, kua Anthony here. He is Anthony. Welcome to the NEWS News for Rahina, the 21st of March.
We start the week with tidy class news. Let's have a big heated drum roll, please, for
Rooms 1, 12 and 13. Ka pai koutou. 4 more weeks until one lucky class noshes out with a pizza reward lunch.
Okay, let's get into Te Kipu or Te Wiki. This week's word is tuhi, which is te reo for draw or write.
Is it no tine e tuhi? Did you draw this?
Sure did, pretty good, eh?
Ka pai, tuhi, which is te reo for draw or write.
On to health and safety news. The clear sky UV forecast for today is moderate, from 11 until 5.
So ngā pote are required from 10:30. Kia ora.
High vis vests. Most students are wearing them to and from schools. Please do likewise.
And ice packs. If you use an ice pack, make sure the ice pack is returned to the office. Kia ora.
Still on health and safety news. Bikes and scooters. Everyone must walk them within the school grounds.
Now if you've missed any notices, you can play the news again or read all the notices in the text box below.
Sports news. Those students who went to the swimming meet last week, could you please meet by the library at morning tea for a photo?
Sports gear. Please return all equipment to the trolleys at the end of interval and lunchtime. Thank you.
Tiki team news. Do you have a meeting in room 13 at lunchtime today, please?
School council. You have a meeting in the group room at 12:45 p.m.
And house leaders. Can you please get your vests on and meet Mr. Wadsworth in the junior lunch area at interval? Kia ora.
Birthday news. A big rough whānau kia koe to Jake Exel, who rolls snake eyes. 11 today.
Happy birthday, Jake. Have a great day.
Alrighty, that's it for today. From everyone here at the NEWST, ka kite a popo. See you tomorrow.
Haru dan. Stay sharp, Winton School.